Hello everyone, welcome back to Enthusiast-Many. So this here's another update on my Snap Circuits multi-circuit alarm. So here we got the red lights down here. Again, this is the motion detector right here. It says flashing red right here. And we got the blue light here. Blue fiber optic tree. There it is. It's shining blue because of the color organ right here. And we got the green light down here. I put this new alarm circuit. This is part of the update. Put this new alarm circuit on. The pressure will activate the alarm. So yep, there it is. And everything else is the same. Everything else except for another area is the same as before. There it is. The only difference is I swapped out this red light and this green light. So yeah, that red light flashing there used to be the green light. They used to flash green. And the fiber optic tree is the same here too. Everything else is the same. But here I put a new circuit in. This here's my another motion detector. It flashes color instead of red, and there's a green light and an LED display right here. And so the current flows through the LED display. And these here are my capacitors. These here prevent because this is like a circuit grid, so this prevents like surges. And everything else is the same too down here. Here's the darkest section. The light tunnel, yeah. So, and here we have the 7. Here we have another LED display, and we have another alarm I see that triggers, that powers that. They have this flashing blue light here. And we got that Snap Circuits, the other thing over there. That's that's like the buffer kit. That also helps prevent surges. Yeah, everything's the same. We got the base station towers. Right here, the light towers. 2 towers here. There. Yeah, this one's just red only. This one's red only. This one flashes multiple colors. Yes, this is a red only light here, and this flashes multiple colors. Yeah. And yeah, this is just green here. And red too, from the other light. Yep, and the alarm systems work the same way. They're triggered by vibration. Vibration activated. So yep, that's how the system works. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye.